Hello students, once again welcoming you in another class of social science. I hope you all safe in your home. The second chapter, globe, latitudes and longitudes. In previous class we did equator, globe, axis, lines of latitude. Today we will discuss our next topic, that is important parallels of latitudes and heat zone. Important parallels of latitude. There are four important parallels of latitude. First, Tropic of Cancer, 23.5 degree north in the northern hemisphere. Second, Tropic of Capricorn, 23.5 degree south in the southern hemisphere. Arctic Circle at 66.5 degree north of the equator. Antarctic Circle at 66.5 degrees south of the equator. So first we learn about the Tropic of Cancer. 23.5 degree north means 23.5 degree north. Latitude is known as Tropic of Cancer. It lies in the northern hemisphere. The sun shines vertically on its own 21st June. It is northern limit of the tropic region or tropical region. Now, Tropic of Capricorn. It is 23.5 degrees south, means 23.5 degree south. Latitude is known as Tropic of Capricorn. It lies in the southern hemisphere. The sun shines vertically on it on 22 December. It is the southern limit of the tropical region. Then next, Arctic Circle. It is 66.5 degree north or 66.5 degree north. Parallel is known as Arctic Circle. Beyond this lies the northern polar region. The Arctic region is a sea surrounded by land. Arctic Ocean lies north of it. Polar bear is the commonly found animals in this region. 66.5 degree south or 66.5 degrees south parallel is known as Antarctic Circle. Beyond this lies the southern pole region. The Antarctic region is a land surrounded by sea. Antarctica lies south of it. The emperor penguin is the main wildlife of this region. Now we learn about heat zone of the earth. The early Greek philosophers divide the globe into three regions on the basis of temperature and latitudes. These are known as temperature or heat zones. First, torrid zone, second, temperate zone, and third, freeze zone. So we will learn in details. Torrid zone. This zone lies between the Tropic of Cancer 23.5 degree north and the Tropic of Capricorn 23.5 degree south. The sun remains overhead in this zone and the temperatures are high throughout the year. It is called tropical climate, that is in torrid zone. Second, temperate zone. It lies between 23.5 degree and 66.5 degree latitudes in both the hemisphere. It has a moderate temperature. In the northern hemisphere, it lies between the Tropic of Cancer and the Arctic Circle. In the southern hemisphere, it lies between the Tropic of Capricorn. Freeze zones. It lies between 66.5 degree north and the North Pole in the northern hemisphere and 66.5 degrees south and the southern pole in the southern hemisphere. It is the polar region and extremely cold throughout the year because the sun never rises above the horizon. I hope you have understood the concept of importance of parallels and heat zones. So let's recap. Heat zones of the earth. It is divided into three categories. First, torrid zone, second, temperate zone, and third, fridge zone. Torrid zones. The midday sun is extremely overhead at least once a year on all latitudes in between the Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn. This area therefore receives the maximum heat and is called the torrid zone. Temperate zone. The midday sun never shines overhead or any latitude beyond the Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn. The angle of the sun rays goes on decreasing towards the poles. As such, the area bounded by the Tropic of Cancer and Arctic Circle in the northern hemisphere and the Tropic of Capricorn and Antarctic Circle is the southern hemisphere have moderate temperatures. This is called temperate zone. Fridge zones. Areas lying between the Arctic Circle and the northern pole in northern hemisphere and the Antarctic Circle and the south pole in southern hemisphere are very cold. It is because here the sun does not rise much above the horizon. Therefore, its rays are always slanting and provide less heat. This is called fridge zones. In next video, I will explain you about longitude. Thank you.